Today we're testing out viral Middle Eastern recipes as a part of my Around the World series. Ooh!
How much do you love me?
Best looking salad we've made. Don't forget to thumb this video. With your help, I was able to find some pretty promising recipes, so let's do this. I can't resist but introduce this first recipe with a pun. Hummus is where the heart is. Oh, I have another one. Words cannot express how much I love you.
Today for a dinner idea, we're making creamy homemade hummus. I've already soaked an entire bag of chickpeas overnight, so this is how they look dry, and then in the morning they're going to look something like this. Your next step is going to be drain the water that they sat in overnight, and we're going to add some clean water as well as a heaping teaspoon of baking soda. Once your pot comes to a simmer, you're going to notice a lot of foam coming to the top. Continue to skim that off until it reaches a full boil. Cover it, and we're going to allow it to boil for an hour. An hour later, your chickpeas should be very tender, so we're going to drain it and allow it to cool for an hour. Once they're cool, we're going to add our chickpeas to a food processor and blitz until they're nice and smooth, and then we're going to add our tahini mixture as well as our water mixture until it has a beautiful consistency like this. And if your hummus isn't as smooth as you want it to be, go ahead and add a couple ice cubes, a few at a time, until you reach the consistency that you want. I swirled my hummus onto a plate, added some olive oil, paprika, sumac on the sides as well as parsley, and some pine nuts.
The queens of kitchen chaos are back.
And king.
I have made hummus once, but it was using canned chickpeas, so it was good. I just didn't know what to compare it with. Yesterday, I soaked my chickpeas for about 9 to 10 hours, and then I boiled them for another hour and a bit until it was really soft and I could squish it between my fingers. Then I just popped it in the fridge to cool down, and this is what I'm left with. It's a lot of chickpeas. We're gonna make a lot of hummus. I wonder how long I can keep this for. Lid on. Time to blend it. Whoa. Kind of looks flaky, but I'm gonna assume that's because like my chickpeas were left in the fridge. I have my water mixture here. It's just like ice water, lemon, and salt. It's a little bit pink because I use Himalayan salt. Oh yeah. More ice cubes. Oh yeah, the ice cube works. I don't know why ice cubes, but it definitely does look smoother. Oh, we're getting there. Ooh. It tastes pretty good. I just would love garlic in it. Everyone's gonna say something if it's not a TikTok video if we don't add garlic powder to something, right? Should we put one garlic clove?
One clove?
One clove. Ooh. There's a hint of garlic. I quite like that. Maybe we should just stop there before we make like a garlic dip instead of just hummus.
Wow.
And then that you put olive oil. Olive oil. Sumac spice, you use it to garnish your dips. Get some bread. Ooh. Bon appetit.
Pretty good.
This tastes like store-bought one.
So what's a bit smoother?
We could have made it more smooth if we added more iron, but the taste is there.
Yeah.
Did you know we added a bit of garlic? I'm actually surprised it was pretty easy to make. Okay, actually no.
No, the prep works hard.
Yes. Blending it was very easy. It was just a little bit more time consuming because I had to soak the chickpeas and then boil them this time, but it definitely tasted better than the first try that I made with canned chickpeas. Well then it has to be a double thumbs up then.
How much do you love me?
Huh?
How much do you love me?
A lot.
A lot. Nice. I will say that I feel like the consistency would be better if I left it in the fridge for a little bit to kind of like set, so then it'll get that a little bit of like a thicker consistency, something more similar to the store-bought ones. But guys, don't buy it anymore. You can make your own. It's way cheaper. This Middle Eastern wrap looks delicious.
I'm telling you, I have perfected the homemade shawarma. The toom gotta be extra spicy. To start, we have to make our shawarma spice rub. This is turmeric, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, allspice, coriander, onion, cardamom, clove, cayenne pepper, pepper, and MSG. And we finish with salt and sugar. To these spices, I'm gonna add some olive oil, squeeze in some lemon juice. We do a couple splashes of white vinegar, and then we finish the marinade with some tomato paste. When you mix the marinade and the spices first, everything gets equally distributed. The chicken, you already know the vibes. We're using some chicken thighs. Merge the thighs into the marinade. Make sure every piece is coated equally. Preferably overnight. All the magic happens when it sits together longer. In a large container, we're gonna add in a whole lot of heartburn. This gets a hefty pinch of salt. Go in with a neutral oil. I'm using only half the amount at first. And now we begin to blend it. I'm gonna dump in the rest of our oil and finish with a little bit of lemon juice. And just keep blending. It should come out beautifully creamy, just like this. Flavor's in the char of the meat, so I'm gonna be using a cast iron skillet. You wanna get it extremely hot. There's lots of marinade juices, and if you overcrowd the pan, it will start to steam the chicken. It won't get crispy and it'll be rubbery. You should hear a very loud and clear sear. You see these pan drippings from the chicken? We're gonna take our pita and give it a nice little swirl in there. As it warms up, we're gonna toss on the toom. Be very generous, you wanna burp when you eat it. The juicy shawarma gets added. We finish with those sliced pickles, and we just tightly roll it up. Wrap it in parchment, then aluminum foil, and then we just toast it one more time. Diagonal slice because we're fancy. And now we have final product. And as always, bismillah. Wow, I'm not joking, the accuracy in the sandwich is scary. This is fantastic.
We're gonna make the toom first, so let's add in our garlic cloves, salt, a little bit of oil. Guys, I just wanna say that I freaking love toom. I just don't love my breath afterwards for like the next 2 days.
Or like when you burp.
Oh gosh, it is like reawakening your senses after you burp. Gonna add more oil and lemon juice. Oh my god, I just want to taste test this. Oh, definitely need more oil and lemon juice. It's very strong. Very spicy still. A piece just flew into my hair. Let me know if it's still too spicy.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
It's good?
I think it's fine now. Yeah.
Nah, it's alright.
Oh man, it's good now. It's so good. Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to make the special spice concoction first. There are a lot of spices, guys. I added garlic powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander powder, allspice powder, paprika, onion powder, cardamom powder, clove, cayenne pepper, MSG, sugar, and salt. Then I added lemon, white vinegar, and tomato paste. Give that a good mix so it's all combined and even. And then I'm going to use that to marinate my chicken thighs, which I've already chopped up. So I actually left it overnight and this is what it looks like. She's ready to be cooked. If you want to go above and beyond, the guy in the recipe does smoke the chicken using a piece of charcoal. I couldn't find a piece of charcoal anywhere, only like big packets of it. So I'm gonna skip that step, but by all means, you should try it. I've got my hubby here, Alfred. He's actually going to help me cook it because the pan's gonna be really hot and I'm just like, I need a break. I need him to work because he's gonna be eating a lot of this. So cast iron pan, guys. You want it really, really hot, just like my husband.
Did not expect that.
That was good.
Okay.
I think it's all the puns, you know, and the hummus, and then, you know, it's just getting to my head. Or because I just want to compliment him, you know, on his new perm. We need to be extra hot. Do not overcrowd the pan. That's an important tip.
Ooh.
Twirl. I can't twirl.
Untwirlable.
It's more like smear. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any big pita breads, so we're just going to have to use these wraps that I found.
Garlic flavored.
Mission garlic wraps. Oh, a generous dollop of this. Oh. We got little pickles.
Would you drink the pickle juice?
If you gave me some money, maybe I'll drink some pickle juice. I'll shot it for you. On goes our pickles. Pickle.
Transfer it.
No, it's gonna break my nails.
I got it, I got it.
I got it. Oh, legend. Okay,
Wrap it up.
wrap it. Oh my god, it's just so hot.
Wow!
Alright, this is what it looks like. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but hey, if the taste is there, I don't mind eating 3 of them. Let's try it out. Cheers.
Wow.
Wow!
This has literally taken my breath away. Wow. Holy macaroni, what did we just make? That marinade is...
Wow, it looks so good.
At first I was like, man, this is a lot of spices, but everyone was worth it. Guys, you need to, please. If any of the recipes you try today, you need to definitely try this one. Even Biscuit's begging for some. My breath is gone, so might as well just add some more. I love it. You know when food's so good that you just start dancing? This is one of those dishes. Thumbs and toes up. The toes up. Double thumbs and toes up, guys. It's so freaking amazing.
6 thumbs. How is this so good?
I'm so impressed. Wow.
Why is it so good?
Oh, it's so good. Whenever I eat Lebanese food, I have to order the salad.
My mom eats the salad every single day during Ramadan. It's called Fatoush and there are many different ways to make it. I'm making it a little different today by dicing all the vegetables really small. I'm using lettuce, tomatoes, green peppers, cabbage, radishes, cucumbers, green onions, and parsley. And then I'm tossing it all together with a lemony sumat dressing. Instead of serving the pita chips on top, I'm using them to eat the salad with, just like a chip and salsa situation.
So good.
We're gonna do the bread first. So we're just gonna cut the flat bread.
Do you remember how we used to slap each other with this? I just remembered.
The last time we made something, I don't remember what video it was, but we slapped each other and it was quite amazing.
It was an experience.
It was an experience. We leveled up our friendship after that.
Oil these babies up.
Yeah, a little bit of oil to get them crunchy. It's a bushy shrub that is native to the Middle East regions of Iran and Turkey. It has a nice ding to it. I'm gonna air fry these. You can pan fry and deep fry, but let's just try air fry because it's healthier. Whilst that's air frying, let's put together our salad. I've got lettuce here, tomatoes, we've got cucumbers, parsley, and green onions, some purple cabbage, I've got capsicum, and then some radish. Wow, this is a pretty salad. I looked up the recipe for the dressing and you need olive oil, lemon juice, garlic cloves, this thing called pomegranate molasses. Never tried that before. This is thick. Oh, I want to taste it. Oh wow, it tastes so sweet, but it's nice. Oh my god, can I make a drink out of this? This is really nice. Like if you add this in soda water, this would taste really good.
That's true. Ooh, what is that?
I don't know, but I'm so glad I got that. Salt and pepper. If you have dried mint, add that in. I don't, so we're gonna have to do without. Sumac. Give that a good mix. Let's try it. I kind of want to add more of that pomegranate molasses. Maybe just a little bit more. It's nice. It's got the acidity, the
Sweetness.
a little bit of sweetness. Pour this lovely goodness all over our salad.
I feel like it's not enough sauce.
I feel like we should have made more dressing. Our salad to dressing ratio might be a little bit off.
It's really pretty though.
This is like the prettiest salad I've made. The best looking salad we've made. Actually, I think it's well coated. I've got my crispy bread. Usually this is just popped into the salad, but in the video that girl used to dip. So let's just try both. Wait, I forgot my man, Alfred, husband. This bread's a little bit small for our salad.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Wow.
I want to try.
This is really good. Why didn't we make this earlier? It's really easy.
So like healthy. I feel like I'm losing weight just eating this.
It's giving me like pecan vibes.
Yeah.
Yummy.
It's even better now.
Yeah. Please excuse if I have anything in my teeth. We're all friends here. I'm in love with this salad, guys. It's so well balanced. You've got the crunchiness, the freshness of all the salads and veggies we've added. And then the dressing, it's just like a match made in heaven. And then the crispy bread in the salad. Oh, you get that crunch and it's so yum. You just want to keep eating it. Want to go back for more. If I could give this 3 thumbs up, I would. So it's up there. We're going to give this 3 thumbs up. Per person.
Oh,
if we could. Yum. So glad we have a big bowl of this now. Don't forget to thumb this video.
Garlic bread.
It's garlic bread thumbs. If you guys want to check out more of our TikTok recipe videos, check it out on screen and remember to subscribe. Wait, before you go, let me know which cuisine should I try next. I'll be doing a poll.